how do we change education? Today we work on the edges. We try to say, can we do the race to the top? Essentially what the race to the top really is, race to the bottom. Because we are not fundamentally changing the way the education is done. You look at a child, they can solve some of the most complex problems on a World of Warcraft. What is it a person, a child who can solve some of the most complex problems in a video game struggles with the basic thing? It is not that the child is dumb, it's not the teachers are dumb. It is the way we are teaching is wrong. If you go back and look at how the human brain, if you look at how the human brain works and how the humans evolved, our brain is optimized for two things, the survival and procreation. And there are fundamental things that the brain is extremely good at, such as pattern matching, such as multisensory devices. It has the neurochemicals that allows you to be open to learning. It has neurochemicals that allow you to do more of what you want. And these neurochemicals, the release of these neurochemicals can be controlled by giving them the certain task. So what is it that a kid can play a dumb game like a Farmville and click and say farm, farm, farm for hours at a time, and the moms have to say, can you get off that thing? Wouldn't that be nice someday if the child says, Mom, can I just do math once, just for 1 more hour, please? Can I just do this for 1 more hour, please? And there is absolutely no reason we can't do that. In fact, even better than that, we can improve the brain's learning capacity. Through the neuroplasticity, it has been proven that we can improve the hardware of the brain itself, so we have the better executive function. We can do a better learning. We can do a better decision making. And the fundamental problem that we need to solve is our education system was designed for the industrial era, where you learned the certain skills and the rest of your life you worked on that. Today, with the exponentially growing technologies, every skill that you learn becomes obsolete in 5 to 10 years. So it's not about learning the skills, it's about learning to learn, and we have to fundamentally redesign our education system if we're going to go on change it.